Chase him, Eric. Jump on his fucking back.
I ain't even trying to run.
I would be.
Everybody walks over.
He called him a fucking nigger. I should beat him up.
Frankie and Frank.
What the fuck?
He called me a nigger too.
Catch his own.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
Like this. Like, I just want to taste it. What is it?
Dude, do you have a drink?
That was good. Oh my god, what is that?
It's so good, dude.
I'm buying some. Tell me what it is.
It's homemade.
It's homemade, dude.
Oh my god.
Homegrown shit right
I'll
here.
pay your mom to
Top
make
of the
that.
line. Top of the line
I'll
shit.
pay your mom to make that.
I'm good.
Eric!
No, I'm not gonna fight.
Stop walking!
Eric, you're a bitch, man.
Fight him, Wagner! Fight him, Wagner!
You're a bitch. Stop yelling this shit.
I'm
Wagner, you're a bitch, man. Chase him the fuck down.
Frank is so afraid.
Walk back this way. Right in front of you this way so you can walk back this way.
Run, Wagner. Throw fucking rock at him.
I'm not walking that far.
Hit him with a fucking rock.
Frank is genuinely scared.
I think they're going to make out, Taylor, too.
They might be.
Stop kissing him.
Look at.
Oh, there's a little
Now
bit
they're running.
No.
Turn around and run this way.
My arm hurts from the